Hey guys, this is Raza Mir. I'm here at the Mashion HQ to clarify any assumptions about me. Yeah, I do actually. I remember cooking on the set of Resident Evil.
And what did you make?
I made, what was it? I think I made keema and something else. I think it was also kadai. I lived by myself for a while, so I had to learn how to cook a lot of different things. The one thing I couldn't make was desi, but because I've been spending a lot of time abroad shooting a lot of different projects, I kind of had to learn, so I can now make a pretty mean chicken kadai. So I'm pretty proud of it. I had the X dashing. I love it. No, I won't be doing a season 2. I think कि हम तुम season 2 होना चाहिए, लेकिन उसमें एक different कहानी हो. You know, maybe it's 2 new characters and you know you focus on them instead of going back to what we've seen. No, देखें ये गलत है. मैंने bits and pieces में बहुत सारे cricket matches देखे हैं.
So which team do you support?
Pakistan. Yo, my hair is like one of the one true challenge of my life because I have really curly hair, like really curly. Being in Karachi with the humidity, like I mean, ऐसे लगता है कि मतलब bum फट गया है. Like it's very difficult to maintain.
Know the CGM?
What's CGM?
Curly girl method?
I'm learning so many things today. Curly girl method?
Yeah, it's like when you don't use shampoo because it dries out makes your hair.
Ew, but you gotta clean your hair.
Conditioner.
I will give up beautiful hair for cleanliness. This is as much as is done. I would rather be clean. That's for sure. Is Ahad Raza Mir a clean freak? Yeah, like clearly. No, I don't. I was gonna show you, but then I was like, nah, that's the point. I don't have a secret Twitter account, no.
Do you have a, what do you call it? No, fake Instagram.
Did you say Tinder?
No.
Finsta. Yeah. See, I was on set for my my Netflix show, and somebody said to me like, "Yo, you have a Finsta?" I'm like, "What the hell is that?" And they're like, "Finsta. It's like the one that you like stalk people with and stuff." And I was like, "That's a good idea." So I don't have one, but yeah, Finsta. Okay, now मैं ना आप सबको एक छोटी सी secret बताता हूँ. खैर अब इसके बाद secret तो नहीं होगी. I don't like biryani. I just never have. Chicken के साथ हो, आलू के साथ हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I just don't like biryani. I never have. Sorry.
So are you a pulao person?
No, not even a pulao. I'm like give me like a kadhai or like a chicken tikka or like bhindi or you know, dal chawal. Hell yeah, dal chawal is the best. But like biryani इतना heavy होता है और वैसे भी आप इतना खाते हैं, you get sleepy and sluggish and yeah, so I'm not a biryani guy. Moi? No. I speak a little bit like when I have to. Like I went to Paris, so like a little bit of the French I learned in Canada was useful, you know. Bonjour, je m'appelle Ahad. Comment ça va? Ah, bien, et toi? That's it. That's it. I love that one song that they have. Wait, what's it? Wait. And they have like the coolest music video. Like I love that song. Actually, I'm very good at math.
Really?
I'm actually very good at math. You want me to do some like equations?
Yeah,
or
what's
some
13
some matrices, some derivatives? What do you want?
What's 13 into 7?
Huh?
13 into 7.
13 into 7? Yes, sir. 1 second. Just wait. 91. Like AHADVILLE?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
It's a Twitter group.
Ahadville.
Yes.
What? Hold on. Ahadville. Sorry, I gotta check this out right now. Ahadville. There's never a dull moment in Ahadville. Ahadville is finally healing. Ahadville wanted life. I love you guys. I genuinely love you guys.
So you actually didn't know about this?
No, Ahadville. I mean, there's a lot of like Instagram pages that I know about. There's like tons of them. But Ahadville is a new. I'll join it. I'm pretty strong. I go to the gym.
So how much do you deadlift?
How much can I deadlift? I actually don't deadlift. I have a bad experience with deadlifting. I was 18 and I did my first deadlift and I hurt my back and I've never been such a baby in my life. Like I went to university with a cane. It was really like embarrassing. And anytime anybody asked, I was like, oh, I fell. I didn't fall. I just did a bad deadlift. Okay, so I'm just gonna say it. I love all animals. I do. Horses scare the shit out of me. They're so scary. They're so, like a dog, like, you know, like they come up to you, like, they're happy to see you and you pet them, it's all good. A horse, you don't know what they're thinking. You don't know what they're thinking. You don't, any second, you guys have seen me, I've done shoots with horses, okay? I might look like I'm having a great time. I mean, andar se na, samajh mein. Like it's bad. I don't trust horses, I never will. So for all you horse lovers who are my fans, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, but hey, for your entertainment, I still ride the horse. I overcome my fears. 110%, I'm always the life of the party until my batteries need to be recharged. Then I go home. Yeah, that's true. I'm like 11 o'clock max, like I'm already in bed. I take my sleep very seriously. I wake up early in the morning. Log, 2 baje uthte hain, 3 baje uthte hain, which I think is so wrong. You know, I think 7 baje uth jaएं, get on with your day. आपके सारे काम जब खत्म हो जाते हैं, it's like 2-3 in the afternoon, पूरा दिन है, you can do whatever you want, you can waste your time if you want to. But I think waking up early is one of the best habits that you can have. I guess this is the day I spill all my secrets. So I drink things very fast, okay? So when I make a coffee, I fill it up about 75% of the way with hot, and then the rest is cold, so that I can just drink it quickly. That's it. So it's not hot, it's not cold, it's room temperature. No, I never forget any password. I've never forgotten anything in my life. My memory is insane, but I'm always watching. Actually, yeah, I think I am. Yeah. I think when me and my buddies go out, yeah, I think I'm generally the one telling people not to do this, not to do that. Khana khaya? Dawai le lo? Yeah. I do. Yeah, 100%. I think desi food का मज़ा ही अलग है. I mean, आप खाते हैं तो आपको एक excitement होती है. Western food is like steak और mashed potato दे दिया तो yeah, not that I mind it, but yeah, desi food all the way. No, I love chocolate. I mean, अगर मैं 10 बजे सो रहा हूँ तो I mean, you know, midnight snack तो बनता है and it's typically cold pizza. I mean, microwave में कौन डालेगा? I mean, I love my parents. You want to call me mama's boy, you want to call me a baba's boy, you want to call me a dadi's boy, I don't care. Yes. Hi, Khala. How are you? You know what? If I was, I wouldn't say it. Lolly Stan X? No, I don't eat mirchi. I cannot confirm nor deny this information. Sadia, I don't know where you got it from, but yeah, good digging. No, man. Nahin. Pakistan Zindabad. There's nothing like that. I just think it's important for every actor to kind of explore all avenues. I mean, I went in 2019 and I did my production of Hamlet, which is also happening next year. Okay. You'll hear an accent in my upcoming show next year for the BBC. Inshallah. That's not an assumption. Oh, acha. Thanks. Thank you. Hey guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to Mashion.